watch.
Right there.
Look, it's the Martian. Look, I'm just gonna watch this turn around. It's gonna be really This is so interesting. Oh, look, the water's like glowing because of how strong the ocean is.
Yep.
That's so cool.
That is really cool.
I like to say we're in the wonderful world of aviation.
Yeah.
There's been range and emergency services going around the world on the taxi lights. I think the emergency services are waiting for the plane.
Oh wait, there's two vehicles coming.
Zone 7 now, welcome to board at this time.
Wow, there's
Fire truck
an
and
ambulance and a
emergency
police
services.
officer.
Andrew, no.
Andrew.
Sit in that seat now. Andrew, move over. Sit here because you need to. That's why. Don't move. It's very fair. Andrew, don't drop your tap.
If you do, then that would be super. Oh, look, they're attaching my car to jet plane A15 to the flight to LA. It's like the fog starting to lighten up. Again, I will pick it up. Oh, that one's getting ready to push back.
And at this time, if you're traveling with a roller bag, will we go into
Andrew,
the
no.
baggage claim when you're at the destination? Please take out the stay with your baggage.
Andrew, no.
Andrew!
I can't pick that up from there.
Andrew! He said no.
Daniel, leave it alone. This is not your job.
All passengers for Detroit are welcome to board at this time. Once again, if you're traveling with a roller bag or any carry-on item that is not able to go, you can see in front of you will be going to the baggage claim area.
Oh, yes.
For those passengers on flight 776 with service to Miami, we are okay to begin our boarding process. Thank you for your cooperation and patience. At this time, we're going to begin with pre-boarding. That's for any customer that needs extra time and assistance down the jet bridge into their seat. You are welcome aboard at this time.
Need extra time.
Andrew, what are you doing?
This is exciting.
What are you doing?
These headphones are too small.
Then why are they falling off if they're too
Because
small?
they're too small.
They're fine.
At this time, we'd like to welcome aboard any active or retired U.S. military. Thank you for your service. Welcome aboard.
With an international connection, please proceed to the elevators in gates A13 to 22 for our complimentary shuttle service. Once again, welcome to Boston and thank you for flying Delta.
Hey, Dada. Hey, you're getting some content. Okay. That's new. There's a new catering company instead of Gate A15. There's a
At this time, I'd like to welcome aboard Zone 1. Zone 1 is our first class cabin. This is for Miami Flight 776. Welcome aboard. As a reminder, FAA regulations allows each passenger one personal item meant to fit under the seat in front of you.